Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to upload a new version of a file and keep the same link in Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to update a file that you've shared with others, but dread the thought of having to send out a new link every single time? This is especially common when you're working on collaborative projects or managing personal files that require frequent updates. In today's video, we're going to tackle this problem head-on. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep that same share link intact while seamlessly updating your file to its latest version. This not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures that everyone who needs access to your document can continue to do so without any hiccups. Let's dive right into the process using Google Drive on your web browser. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Google Drive. Once there, locate the specific file that you want to update. This file should already have a share link that you want to maintain. If your drive is packed with files, you might find it useful to utilize the search bar at the top to quickly find what you're looking for. After you've pinpointed the file, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu, offering a variety of options. Here, you'll want to select Manage Versions. This option is crucial because it allows you to replace the current file version while keeping the existing share link intact. It's a fantastic feature if you want to ensure that anyone with the original link doesn't lose access. Once you select Manage Versions, a dialog box will appear, showing you all the past versions of your file. You'll notice an option at the top labeled Upload New Version. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose the new version of the file from your computer. Navigate through your folders to find this updated file. Once you've located it, click on it, and then hit either Open or Upload, depending on what your system prompts you. As the new file uploads, it will replace the old version, but under the same file entry in Google Drive. This means that while the content of the document is updated, the share link remains unchanged. This is particularly advantageous if you're collaborating with a team or stakeholders who rely on a consistent and uninterrupted link to the document. There's no need to send out a new link. Everyone using the original link will automatically see the updated content. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the old file with a new version while maintaining the original share link. This method is a powerful tool for anyone involved in collaborative work or those who frequently update shared documents. It's a great way to streamline your workflow and boost efficiency, ensuring that document access remains straightforward and uninterrupted for everyone involved. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to upload a new version of a file and keep the same link in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.